Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like your calendar is a constant battle, with back-to-back meetings leaving no room for your actual work? Well, in this video, we're diving deep into reclaim.ai to see if this smart calendar assistant can be the best AI calendar of 2025 and finally help you reclaim your time. Reclaim.ai is an AI-powered platform designed to automatically find the best time for your tasks, habits, breaks, and one-on-one meetings. The core idea is intelligent scheduling, where the AI defends your time by automatically blocking slots for your priorities and even dynamically rescheduling them when conflicts arise. One of its benefits is how it creates smart time blocking for tasks and habit bundles for recurring personal activities, ensuring you never miss a workout or a focused work session again. It also simplifies meeting scheduling with smart scheduling links that protect your busy hour and existing commitments. However, a potential drawback is its current reliance on Google Calendar integration, which might limit users on other platforms. Furthermore, while the AI is powerful, it requires a level of trust to hand over control of your calendar, and some might find the automation a bit overwhelming at first. Reclaim.ai offers a tiered pricing structure starting with a free forever plan, which includes one user, a one-week scheduling range. The starter plan at $10 per seat per month expands to up to 10 seats, an 8-week scheduling range, and more links and meetings. The business plan at $15 per seat per month supports up to 100 seats and offers a 12-week scheduling range with unlimited key features. For larger organizations, the enterprise plan at $22 per seat per month provides enterprise-grade support for over 100 seats and includes all the unlimited features of the business tier. Goodbye all.